In our podcast, Keep It or Change Cars, we discuss VW Tiguan versus new brands from China with no track record, quality, price and real world value. The team says Germany wins this one. Catch, you ask, we answer. Suzuki Franks versus Toyota CHR. New Suzuki or second-hand Toyota? Let us know if you agree with Nikki and Mike on this one. In this episode of All Things Motoring, Temba, our auto investigator, checks out the VW Polo starter kit as Blessing breaks it down, hubbly, vibes and slammed car life. This is All Things Motoring News. To read the full articles or view the full videos, click on the links below. Hyundai SA hands over a luxury vehicle to top South African professional golfer. Ford Wildlife Foundation drives the return of Witvis to the Berg River. Toyota South Africa reaffirms its commitment to Toyota Cheetahs with extended sponsorship. The Bentley Batur convertible is the next pioneering chapter of open-top luxury. Merger talks could spawn a new Chinese giant. Two Chinese state-owned automotive manufacturers, Dongfeng and Changan, are reportedly nearing a merger agreement as part of Beijing's effort to consolidate domestic industry players and strengthen innovation in the new energy vehicles. Read Colin Wendell's article, Trump Tariffs, a huge blow to South African auto industry. Remember, to read the full articles or view the full videos, click on the links below. All Things Motoring News is proudly brought to you by CHANGECARS. If you're looking to sell, need advice, need finance, or need insurance, CHANGECARS has you covered.